Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the environment and executing the first fixes. Check that your device has adequate free storage. Once there is room, update both the app and the operating system to current releases. Make sure to force stop the app, clear its cache, and then reboot the device to flush transient states. Once done, open the app briefly to see if the crash repeats. If it does, keep notes of any error messages or when the crash happens so you can act next. You now move into detailed diagnostics to isolate the root cause. First, review and adjust app permissions so the app can access required services. Lack of permission often causes abrupt stops. Next, uninstall and reinstall the app to reset corrupted files. Make sure you have login details or backups. If crashes persist, boot the device into safe mode to test without third-party apps. This reveals conflicts. While doing this, monitor battery and CPU spikes so you can correlate resource issues with the stops. You finish by applying final remedies and a key fallback. If the app still stops, reset its app data or perform a selective factory reset of the affected app. This removes corrupted state. Make sure the device firmware and OS are fully patched, then restart and test again. If problems continue, collect crash logs or screenshots and contact the developer with details. One troubleshooting tip: try the app in safe mode and reproduce the crash. If it stops, a third-party app is likely at fault, and you can remove recent installs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.